Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent time recreating the same design or layout in WordPress, you know how time consuming it can be. Well, what if I told you there's a super easy way to copy all the blocks from a page instantly? In today's full guide, I'll show you step by step how to copy every single block in WordPress with just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this trick will make your workflow so much faster and smoother. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your browser and head over to the official WordPress website. Once you're there, click on the login button at the top right. You'll see multiple sign-in options, but the easiest one is continue with Google. Just select that and choose your preferred Google account. Within seconds, you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Quick and easy. Now that you're inside your dashboard, it's time to access your site editor. Look for the Edit Site button under the Quick Links section. Click it and WordPress will take you straight to the editing interface where all your blocks and content are displayed. This is where the magic happens. Here's the best part. In the top right corner of your WordPress editor, you'll notice 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on that and a drop-down will appear. From the list, select Copy All Blocks, and that's it. You've just copied every single block on that page. Text, images, buttons, everything, directly to your clipboard. Now, you can paste these blocks anywhere, on a new page, a post, or even another website built on WordPress. This feature is a massive time saver. Instead of manually recreating layouts or designs, you can now duplicate entire pages in seconds. It's especially handy if you manage multiple pages with similar structures, like landing pages, product sections, or blog templates. And that's how easy it is to copy all blocks in WordPress. No plugins, no coding, just a few clicks. If this guide helps speed up your workflow, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover other WordPress tricks in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.